Welcome back, everyone, to weather for a Thursday night. Mike Schultz with you once again. A beautiful day across the interior. Even the winds dropped down. It was nice. We're looking at that weather forecast to continue into the weekend. In fact, temperatures could be near 60 degrees by Sunday, and an Indian summer is on the horizon for next week. How about that? Now, last night I was telling you about one viewer in Tok that sent me some photos of snow they had a couple days ago, and here's the proof. Katie Turk was able to capture that, and you can see the snow down here, about an inch or two, and that's their first snow of the year. It's gone now, but kind of an omen of things to come, I guess. Again, if you have a photograph to share, by all means send a photos at ktvf11.com. Here's your numbers right now. The normal high 62, today's high 55, the normal low 42. Last night, a chilly 28-degree reading. And the record high was 78 in 1917, 23 for the record low in 1980. Our sunrise and sunset about 14 hours and 10 minutes. That's a loss of 7 minutes from yesterday. Right around the community right now, our temperatures are pretty consistent. You see 57 degrees at Fairbanks, Fort Wainwright, Eielson Air Force Base, and North Pole at 56, with Nenana at 54, Denali Park also 54 degrees. On the satellite radar, it looks ominous and like it could be a big problem for us, but this area of low pressure is actually going to continue to spin off to the east and just give us mainly some high clouds, and that's about it. Folks down to the south, not as fortunate. They're going to get a lot of rain, it looks like. In fact, the latest map is showing rain into the Anchorage Bowl area with cloudy skies over southeast Alaska, Kodiak at 64, only 51 degrees in Anchorage. Up and down the west coast, I should say, 53 at Nome. More snow falling today in the Barrow area, 34 degrees there. Lower 48 weather, more showers and thunderstorms moving up from the south. I told you about that last night with the influx of moisture coming in from a couple of systems working together, tropical systems, and that's going to be bringing the folks there some very interesting weather. In fact, over the next couple of days, it looks like that thunderstorm activity is going to expand all the way into Las Vegas and over Southern California and be bringing some possible flash flooding and very heavy rain into all of the southwest portion of the country. And the overall jet stream, once again, will remain to the north, allowing the warm temperatures to continue over the west coast, hot and steamy over the east coast. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Becoming partly cloudy and partly sunny, I should say, in Barrow. Cloudy skies for Nome and sunny skies expected at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, mostly sunny skies across the region. Temperatures right around the upper 50s. Over southeast Alaska, more rain in the forecast for Juneau and a chance of rain for Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, we're looking at, for the most part, cloudy skies at Cold Bay, a few clouds for Bethel, and rain expected in Kodiak Island. And if you're heading on down the Anchorage area, looking at the rain likely for Anchorage, and rain will be developing for both Valdez and Homer. All right, time once again for our weather fact for this week as we're taking a break for the kids' weather. And our weather fact shows that in 1987, Charleston, South Carolina received 8 inches of rain in a 24-hour period. That's a lot of rain. And as always, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our Kids Weather Watch. And next week, we'll be visiting with the kids from Arctic Light Elementary School. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Not as cold as last night, 34 the overnight low, partly cloudy skies. And the forecast for tomorrow looks pretty good too. More sun than clouds and warmer, 57 degrees for the high. And look at the 5-day outlook. As you can see here, things look really encouraging as we're moving in toward the 5-day period. Temperatures warming up to the mid to upper 60s, while overnight lows will once again be very comfortable too, starting off in the mid 30s, but warming up again to around 40 degrees, and no precipitation expected. So all in all, some nice weather, and it looks like a great weekend shaping up, guys.